Sayyidi, my question is, what can we do to bridge the generation gap which is causing problems for families and Jamaat alike?
From the very childhood, you have to train your children. Tell them what is religion, why you are an Ahmadi Muslim. So, if they are attached to the religion, you infuse in them what is the importance of religion, then they would try to learn more about religion. And when they are learning about religion, despite the fact there is a generation gap, they will try to practice their religion and learn more about their religion. So one thing is that you must attach them with your religion. And that is only when you are training them, as I have already said, setting your own example before them. You see, they are educated when they ask you some question. Instead of saying that, no, don't ask us, it is against the teaching of Islam. No, Islam says you must ask question and you have to satisfy them. If you don't have the knowledge with regards to your religious matter, then you can ask your murabbi that kindly answer the question of my son or daughter or my children. And if the question is related to any worldly thing, how can we reconcile the worldly thing with the religion? Then you have to read some books and tell them to read it. And in the Jamaat literature, there are books which can answer your question. So this is how you can fill your generation gap. But there should be very friendly interaction between you and your children. Nowadays, this is the habit, and it's a good habit of the children, that they ask why. And you have to answer why. Whether it is with regards to their religious question or any worldly question. Right? For that, you will have to increase your own knowledge as well. Don't just put your whole weight on the shoulder of the Jamaat. You will have to bear it yourself.